Hi students, problem number 8. In a certain place, the horizontal component of a magnetic field is 1 by root 3 times the vertical component. The angle of dip at that place is asked. It is the simplest numerical problem which you can expect in the Neet and JEE. So, it is based on the angle of dip. Anyhow, what is the given situation? The horizontal component of the magnetic field is 1 by root 3 times the vertical component. So, BH is equal to 1 by root 3 times the vertical component. It is given. Okay. So, I will take the ratio B vertical divided by B horizontal. So, this is equal to root 3. This is what given in the question itself. Now, tangent value of the angle of dip theta is equal to B vertical divided by B horizontal. This is the expression from the definition, is it not? So, tangent value of theta is equal to B vertical by BH. What shall we substitute now? This is equal to root 3. So, tan theta is now equal to root 3. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of root 3. So, tan inverse of root 3 is equal to what? 60 degree. This is also equal to what? Pi by 3 radian. Okay. Therefore, theta is now equal to pi by 3 radian. So, first option is not correct. Second option B is the right answer. So, theta is equal to pi by 3. That is option B is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.